Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you are dealing with an eviction or just want to know more about eviction laws within the state of New Jersey, I've got you covered. I'm going to discuss everything that you need to know, and I'm going to simplify the laws, the understanding, and how you should go about an eviction. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing we need to discuss is what an eviction actually is. So an eviction is the legal process of removing a tenant from a rental property. Landlords cannot forcibly remove tenants or change locks. They must go through the court system if a tenant refuses to leave after a lease violation. Let's sum up a few legal reasons for an eviction. The first thing is a non-payment of rent. The next thing that can be considered is non-compliance, which is a 3-day notice that can be issued for lease violations such as unauthorized pets or any other agreements broken. Here are a few steps to take when legally evicting a tenant. The first thing is to serve a notice to quit. The next thing is to file an eviction paper with the court. The next step is to wait for the tenant to respond. This will lead to a scheduled court hearing, and then you'll need to attend that hearing, and thereafter the removal of the tenant may or may not happen. If this does happen, it will happen within a 5-day period. You can request a right of possession to have the sheriff remove the actual tenant. And the last thing to note is a security deposit may not cover all damages. So if not awarded during the hearing, you can pursue unpaid rent and court fees in small claims court. Now, if this was a helpful guide, please do show your support by dropping us a like, and we'll see you in another video.